Hi to all the lovely people. You all are once again most welcome to your very own channel, that is Tutorials Point, and I am back again with yet another really interesting topic and video for you all. So keep watching this video till the end, because in this video we are going to learn about the words which are the most beautiful in the English language. They have like some amazing meaning, and yes, you could articulate them, you could use them in your daily language, and they are really amazing and really beautiful to be used in our language. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and learn what are these amazingly beautiful words in English. Well, the first one is pristine. If you've not heard about this word, well, this word actually means, pristine means something that is sparkling clean and amazingly very fresh and clean, and their surroundings, if your surroundings are pristine, you would just love to work, right? So ideally we would all just love to be in a pristine surrounding. So something that is very fresh and clean is referred to as pristine. So here's an example: the washing machine for sale, only 2 months old and in pristine condition. So what it means is that it is an absolutely new, fresh, clean, absolutely safe condition, and it is not at all damaged. So something which, as I already have told you, is very clean, fresh and sparkling is referred to as pristine. So do not forget to use this word in your language. Renaissance. Well, Renaissance is yet another very graceful and amazing word in English, and what it means is, basically Renaissance means rebirth, right? So if there's a situation wherein a particular anything which just any literature or art or piece of music or anything which used to be a part of some very old times and now has come to fashion again and has been sort of been practiced off late and recently, that means it's born again. So that is what is referred to as Renaissance. So rebirth of anything is referred to as Renaissance. So opera is enjoying a long-awaited renaissance. So Renaissance is like rebirth of anything is referred to as Renaissance. So if you have a situation wherein you feel that there has been a situation where you've had a rebirth, you can refer to that as Renaissance. Tranquility. What is tranquility? A peaceful and a calm state of mind wherein you are absolutely at equilibrium with nature, you're in a state of nirvana. That is what is referred to as tranquility. And well, we would all just love to be in this calm, peaceful, balanced state of mind. We would just enjoy that every second. So again, yet another amazing word which we can use in our daily language. If we are in that mind state, well, then you can say that, wow, I am absolutely tranquil. I am in a tranquil mind state. So yeah, amazing. Epiphany. What is epiphany? Well, epiphany is a life-changing moment or a realization, that one particular moment wherein it just stuck to you, something just stuck to you immediately and you gave it a deep insight, and that very moment was a turning point in your life. That is something that just sort of gave you a new essence, sort of gave you a new idea, a new ideology, a new outlook of your life. That is what is referred to as tranquility. So any realization which is life-changing is referred to as epiphany. So if you happen to be in a state of epiphany, or if you happen to have this moment of epiphany, well, then you can share it with your friends and tell them that, well, that very day I had a moment of epiphany and that just changed my life. So yes, another new and amazing and a very beautiful word in English. Well, what is this word? Felicity. Well, felicity is a state of absolute happiness, charm, joy. That is what is referred to as felicity, right? So a condition wherein one is very positive, full of amazing aura, and you are full of positive energy, full of positive vibes. that is what is referred to as Felicity, right? So her article contained one or two verbal felicities that still stay in my mind for years. So something which just instills positive energy in you, really makes you very happy, makes you feel good, puts you in high spirits, is referred to as Felicity. So you could, if you're in that state of mind wherein you feel that you are in a state of felicity, well, share it with your friends with this word. Eternity. Well, what is eternity? Ideally, we would just love to be with our loved ones till eternity. So something that just lasts forever, infinite, beyond time, is referred to as eternity. So yes, if you want to be with someone, you could tell them that I would love to be with you till eternity, which means you would want to be with them forever and ever in your life. Yes, so we are going to be together till eternity. Yes, we are going to be together till eternity, hopefully. So yeah, you can use this word, yet another amazing and interesting word in English, and can be put to use. Demure. What is demure? Well, demure is actually referred to as very, very well mannered, very, very well behaved, very, very sweet. Especially this word is associated with women. So yeah, so very, very quiet, well behaved, well mannered woman, especially a woman, is referred to as demure, right? So she gave him a demure smile, which means very decent, very sweet, very well mannered, very, very respectable. That is what is referred to as demure. So yeah, we would love to show a demure personality, especially when you happen to meet someone for the first time. Yes, we would. So yes, yet another amazing word. Cherish. What is cherish? Now, the true meaning of cherish is to love, protect and care for something or someone who is important, that or who is important to you. So if you love, protect and take care of something, you cherish it, right? So it is great to cherish your family members. You would love to protect them, you would love to be with them, you would love to take care of them. So yes, we would if you happen to cherish your family members, well then you and your entire family is very lucky. Okay, although I cherish my children, I do allow them their independence, which means you're just making a difference clear that yes, you do cherish them, but you don't overpower them or you don't control them. You're not overtly controlling. So yes, if you do cherish someone, do let them know that yes, I do cherish you, I do take care of you, I want to protect you, I want to be with you, I love being with you. So you cherish them, you cherish their presence in your life. Aurora. What is aurora? Well, aurora originally is basically, the name of Roman goddess of sunrise, and aurora is now used in English, and with what it actually means is dawn. You could use it as dawn, or that phenomena of northern lights, which is usually observed near the polar regions, is referred to as aurora. I'm sure you're aware that near the polar regions in the sky, there is, like, due to the magnetic field of the earth, you can see these beautiful colors in a variety of colors, usually split apart, and you're able to see them. Such lights in the sky, that phenomena is referred to as aurora. You could also use this to sort of describe sunrise or illuminating phenomena. You could use it to describe that as well. So yes, yet another amazing and a different and a unique word in English. You can put it to use. Well, the last word, which is again very amazing, which I chose for you all, is scintilla. Well, what is scintilla? Well, scintilla is like very, very small amount of something. That is what is referred to as scintilla, or a modicum, or a small, very, very less quantity of anything is scintilla. So there's not a scintilla of truth in what she says. So, or there's not even a scintilla of doubt in my heart that you love me. Yes, you could use it that way as well. So completely, it's your word. You can use it however you want to use it. So yes, yet another beautiful and amazing word in English. And because I learned it, so I thought of sharing with you all. Well, I'm sure these new words which you've learned today definitely would help you. You could put them to use in your language, and in that process you will end up upgrading your language. Well, I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with tutorials, point and tutorics. Have a great day.